guys, this is Tommy and I would like to welcome you to Angkor Zipline. Let me give you a quick tour. So as you arrive, this is the entrance to our operation site and it's super green right now. Lots of butterfly and flowers, all sorts of flowers. It's beautiful setup. Did you notice that? There's some little treasures. Just pass you out, get to you in a minute. And this is the surrounding. You can see there are so many type of flowers and plants. So beautiful. But first, let me take you to say hi to our friends here. Hello. Hi. You hungry? No. So let's keep on going. So beautiful. Hello. Hi. Hi. So cute. She keep following me like a puppy. This is our welcome and registration area. So when you arrive, you'll be greeted by our staff, our greeters, and then they will bring you a registration form. And then watching the safety video demonstration right here, but we cover it right now on the TV. Alright, let's see what we have here. Peacocks. Hi there. Ooh, so beautiful. We have 5 of them right now. Hello. Such a beautiful setup. Take a swing, guys. Alright, that's a quick tour for Angkor Zipline operations site. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.